Okay, our fifth technique is called the external rotator stretch. Where are your external rotators? Your external rotators are a muscle group that's in your butt, but they're very deep and they run from your sacrum all the way over to your hip, and they're responsible for rotating your thigh or your femur. The reason they're important for us is that when they get too tight, they have a tendency to impinge or irritate the sciatic nerve. You've probably heard of sciatica. It's not very much fun. It's actually a pain that can start in your butt and go all the way down your leg, even to your foot. This pain can be in the form of a dull achiness. It can be a sharp, like a hot knife kind of a pain. It could be tingling. It could be numbness. It has a lot of forms. If you've ever experienced it though, you'll know that it's no fun. And so in order to actually make sure we're stretching all of the groups that we need to stretch those external rotators. Okay, the starting position for the external rotator stretch, it's called the side saddle position. We're going to work on our right leg first. I've got my right leg forward. And what you're looking for is to kind of get your lower leg, or your tibia, that's the name of this bone, perpendicular to your torso. And what you'd like to do with this is just, the way you do it, take your left hand, just kind of grab around your foot. That's going to help you keep your balance. Bring your right elbow out in front of your right knee like that, okay? And now your torso won't get any lower than this because you're supporting yourself on your elbow. So what you can do is you can pull yourself forward a little bit with your left hand around your foot. And this is the position where you're going to feel the stretch, okay? You can kind of move yourself around just a little bit if you don't think you're quite feeling the stretch. Just alter your position a little till you can start to feel it. And once you're feeling the stretch, that hurts so good sensation in your butt, you're going to breathe, relax, be patient, and just wait for the release to happen. Okay? Now, if you get to the point where just this position is enough, you can actually intensify this stretch a little bit, and the way you do that is you start right from the side saddle position, just like this. You bring both hands in front, like so, and you extend your left leg all the way back. All right? Back here for you. All right, so you're in this position just like this. Now once you get up in this position, it's kind of tough to keep your lower leg perpendicular to your torso. That might hurt a little bit. It puts a lot of twisting strain on your knee too. So you might notice that your foot drops back a little bit, the foot that's underneath you. Anyway, once you're in this position, again, what you're going to try to do is lower your torso toward the floor. So you can start out by resting on your elbows like this. Let yourself rock. Can you see me just rocking a little bit here? Rock. It's like jostling. It helps you to find the best position. I think it's a little better than just laying in a static and non-moving position. And again, just like always, we're going to breathe, relax, try to be patient, and wait for that release. Wait for that release. Okay, that's the right leg. So now I'm just going to switch legs. If you need to start in the side saddle position, here's where you start. If this is enough, great. If you need to start getting a little bit more stretch in order to get these muscles to loosen up, Now your right hand grabs your left foot, your left elbow comes down in front of your knee. You can pull yourself a little bit toward the floor, pull your torso down. See if you can increase that stretched feeling across your butt. In this position, we're working on the left side. That's where you should be feeling it. Okay. And if you get stretched out and you're not really feeling much of a stretch in this position, you do what we did before. Bring your hands out in front. Extend your right leg behind you. Move back a little bit. Extend your right leg behind you like this. And then lower yourself, lower your torso toward the floor. You can do this right on your elbows. This might be as far as you can go. You can see I'm just jostling a little bit like this. I'm actually pushing with my back foot just to rock myself a little bit forward and backward. You can rock a little bit to the left and the right to get a sense for this muscle group. You know, and if you really get to the point where you're getting stretched out, you can kind of just lay right down. My torso is completely resting right on my thigh. It's about as low as you can get with this particular stretch. A little rocking, a little jostling, breathing, relaxing, being patient, looking for the release. Okay, that's the external rotator stretch.